RVers. This is Gary and Sharon with Rough Road RV Life, and we like looking at freedom. Well, where's freedom bringing us? Well, we just left Florida, crossed into Georgia, got off on exit 5. We're headed up the road to Eagles Roost Resort. Should be down here on the left.
And right there to the right is Interstate 75.
Yep, that's where we were.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
Look, an antique slide.
Take the next right, then turn right.
We are sitting here at Dames Ferry Campground, where we're going to be talking about Eagles Roost RV Resort.
And stay tuned because Dames Ferry's coming up after this video.
Now, Eagles Roost is located I-75, exit 5, Lake Park, Georgia. I mean, it is right off of I-75.
Super convenient.
And I will show you a quick map of it.
But it doesn't matter what site you have, they assign your site.
And they're all pull-throughs with electric, water, and sewer, and they're level, concrete slabs. Nice.
Nice. Nice and deep. Plenty of room between you and your neighbor. You get a picnic table. And if you look where we were, you could look right out and see there's a lake right there. But you can't get to the lake, but you can see the lake. And it's really pretty to look out the window and see water. The patio sites. Check them out.
Yeah.
Nice. It's really scenic.
I like the park. Now, they do have a swimming pool there, which is open year-round. They have a playground, and they have a conference center. There's a big flea market right beside them.
You can walk right over there if you like flea markets.
They have a nice dog walk there on the premises.
Yeah.
Gift
nice
shop.
Grassy area you can walk your dog.
So they sell propane also. If you need some propane, they got a propane fill station.
They have a laundromat.
Mm-hmm.
And shuffleboard and horseshoe pits, so you can do those kind of things. And they have a vending machine. I'm not sure if there was any more, but I saw one vending machine.
Now, it's a private park. The people in there are very friendly, very nice. We enjoyed our stay there. We would go back there again, no problem.
We make this I-75 run quite often because we live in Florida, so we have to go through Georgia, and a lot of times we just come back I-75 or we head out I-75. So this one is a great overnight stay or 2-night stay just to chillax. Plenty of restaurants right up the road where the exit is. And there's one we didn't get to check out, but it's called a farmhouse, which sounded very interesting.
It looked interesting.
It did. It looked like it would have good food.
But we were there only one night, so we didn't get a chance
Yeah.
to do anything.
Yeah. Big shout out to Eagles Roost Resort. They took good care of us and were very helpful. We were running late, had a little bit of an issue, and I just contacted them. They're very nice folks, and we appreciate their patience.
And we didn't have any issues with phone service as far as uploads, downloads, any of that
Super
stuff.
fast.
Yep.
We did not even have to pull out our Starlink. Verizon and T-Mobile took good care of us.
Yep. This is Gary and Sharon with Rough Road RV Life. We like looking at freedom. We hope to see you on the road someday. Safe travels. Take
Safe
care.
travels. On to Dames Ferry. On the road this morning, we're going to be getting right over there on Interstate 75. Just a little jig right here. Leaving Eagles Roost RV Resort. I think I got the name right. I know it's Eagles Roost Resort. I know.
Roost Campground and Resort.
Campground Resort, I know, but it's Eagles Roost. Exit 5 on Interstate 75. We were northbound.
As you can see, there's lots of restaurants here to choose from.
There's one back there that caught our eye. It's a farmhouse restaurant. That just sounded good.